In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious BLT sandwich with avocado recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need bacon, Italian bread, lettuce, tomato slices, avocado slices, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of mustard, a quarter cup of mayonnaise, and a quarter cup of sour cream. On a rack over a baking sheet, we're going to add a layer of our bacon. We're going to bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes or until crispy. In a bowl, we're going to combine together the sour cream, mayonnaise, mustard, and mix until completely combined. We're going to toast our bread until golden brown. Once our bacon is out of the oven, we're going to take it out onto a paper towel lined plate. On a slice of bread, we're going to add our sauce mixture and spread out evenly. Over this, we're going to lay our lettuce, tomatoes, bacon, and avocado. On a second slice of bread, we're going to add more of our sauce mixture and spread out evenly. Season our sandwich with salt and pepper. We're going to place our second slice of bread sauce side down on our sandwich to finish it off. Use a knife to cut your sandwich however you would like. Our BLT sandwich with avocado is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.